if a line AB is equals to 70 millimeter, BC is equals to 55 millimeter, and angle ABC is equals to 45 degree. Construct a circle to pass through the points ABC. Measure the radius. From the question, you can see that we want to circumscribe circle to a given triangle like that. Assuming you are given a triangle ABC, you are to draw a circle to pass through it outside. That is the question. And if you look at that question very well, you can see that there is a given angle, which is ABC equals 45 degree. ABC equals 45 degree. So which means B is going to carry the angle. B is going to carry the angle. Now, the first thing to do is draw your horizontal line. Locate the starting point. Write A. Measure 70 millimeter. That is 7. On it, write B and write what you have measured, 70 millimeter. Now, the next thing is angle 45 degree. I will take my protractor, place it on B, since B is going to carry the angle, and the angle is going to be inside the triangle here, not outside. So I will look for 45 degree. And from 0 here, you can see this is 40 and this is 45 degree. So put point on 45 degree and draw your line from B to that point up. Just draw your line up. Draw it up. Then write 45 degree. And that is the angle B, 45 degree. Then the question says line BC should be 55 millimeter. Then you pick your ruler, you measure 55 millimeter. Measure 55 millimeter. And this is 55 millimeter. From 0 to 55. You can place it like this for it to be very sure. That's 55. Place it on B, on the intersection on B here, and cut the line there. So from the intersection here and this place, you can draw your line AC. You can draw your line AC. Okay, so this is C. So this point is C, this point is A, and this point is B. How can I construct a circle to pass through these 3 points? Is that I need to bisect 2 sides. Out of the 3 sides of the triangle, I will bisect 2. So I want to bisect AB and BC. I will take more than half of line AB. You can see with my compass, I will take more than half of line AB. I will place my compass on A first. I will strike arc up and down, the same radius. So the radius we use here is what we will use here. Then I will place it on B, the same radius. Don't change it to cut this, but be mindful of the arc you are working with presently. I'm working with this point, the intersection here and intersection here. That is what I will join. That is what I will join. So join that up. You can write this and call this one AB bisector. Call it AB bisector. AB bisector, which means the line I used to bisect line AB. This is the line for indication. Now I want to bisect BC also. So you put your compass on B, take more than half of line A, BC, more than half of line BC. Draw arc here Draw arc here. Be mindful of the arc you are working with presently. Draw arc very well. Draw arc very well. Place it on C also. Place it on C. Draw arc here. Draw arc. So I'm working with this intersection of this arc and intersection of this arc. Then I will join the two arcs together at the intersection. Join the two arcs together at the intersection. Then I can call it, I can call it a BC bisector. Just call it BC bisector. Call this one BC bisector. BC bisector, so that you can know. Now, the two bisector, AB and BC bisector, where do they meet? You can see that line. The bisector for the two sides meets at this point. You can see the point here. So that point will be the center for my circle. Then pick your compass. Just pick your compass, place it on that intersection, and set it to touch the 3 points. Touch C, touch A, and touch B. Then you can draw your circle. Let it touch. Let it touch. You have set it to touch before you can draw. Make sure you draw it. Draw it. Draw your circle. Thank you. Draw your circle. You can see now, I have circumscribed circle outside that triangle. It has touches the 3 points. Then the question also tells me to measure my radius. This is the center of the circle and this is the circumference. I will just draw a line. Just draw any line to touch the circumference from the center. And that line you have drawn, just measure it. Measure it from the center. You can see that this is 30 millimeter. So this is the radius. You can write it there. Write radius. Write radius. Just 30 millimeter. That is the radius of your circle. 35, sorry. From this to that is 35 millimeter. I'm sorry. That's not 30 on the earth. That's 35 millimeter. So your radius is 35. You can look at it very well. From 0, 1, 2, this is 3, this is 5. That's 35 millimeter. So you can come outside there and write radius is equal to 35 millimeter. With this, I have answered the question from Becker year 2020 that asked me to circumscribe a circle to a given triangle and to measure the radius. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.